taking Taiwanese territory.
Now this is just a matter of getting as many things into the fight as we can, as quickly as possible. Getting the Australians involved in a blockade and checking out what's in the strait with the Marine Littoral Regiment subs, relying on our allies to watch the rear and maintain supply lines and maybe implement a blockade while we're fighting in the strait, in and around the straits with Taiwan.
We believe the longer this takes, the less able we will be able to achieve our objectives. And so we are in the course of this building in fallback positions, although we don't want to tell that to the other team. Move 2 is building on all of that and moving forward to land on Taiwan, to further try to take out American assets in the region, and also to go after Japan, which has entered the war.
The fact that they aggressively hit Guam and Japan was frankly just a very quick way to make sure our allies were all in. And now we have Japanese resources willing to contribute to air and undersea. We have Australians willing to contribute and others coming on board.
My sense is that we need to at least take out the airfields in northern Australia. So at least try to.
So like Darwin and Tyndall?
Darwin and Tyndall. The fuel tanks are very important because that's how those planes get refueled. And the runways are important because they need somewhere to take off.
In Hawaii, you have both obviously American territory, which they seek to preserve, plus you have all of the naval and air assets that the Americans have dispersed back that way once this war started, so there's a lot of targets out there. They hit our ports in China, we're going to take the fight to Hawaii.
I'm a little bit hesitant to use conventional kinetic attacks in Hawaii just because I feel that will be interpreted as a Pearl Harbor in the United States.
Yep.
We could galvanize significant U.S. support.
China's big strike, which was in response to the U.S. Attacking its ports, was on Hawaii. And they launched their stealth bombers, which launched cruise missiles and hypersonic weapons against Hawaii. It took out the command center on Hickam Air Force Base, where they're controlling Blue Air Forces and commanding the air war. So an American state has now been attacked.
What was the blue team's move?